Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to start live on the Facebook application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on the home button down below in the left side corner of the screen. Tap on what's on your mind at the top. After that, you should click on live video, which is the fifth option at the bottom of the screen. Here you have the chance to select the availability or select your audience, so you can share it to your story. You can see who can see your post and your live. And you also have the chance to reverse your camera. You can add description by tapping on this section down below. You can set your activity or how you're feeling. You can tag people, and when you are done you can tap on the go live button and start your live video. As you can see, there's a calendar option, so you can also set the details of your live event. You can type in the name of your event, the start date and the description, so you can basically schedule the whole thing. And when you are done, click on the go live button down below. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.